Calculate the momentum and de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated through a potential difference of 56 volt. Kinetic energy K is equal to E into V, where E equal to charge of electron and V accelerating potential. Instead of K, we can write mv square by 2. So mv square by 2 equal to E into V. Now we get velocity V equal to root of 2 EV by m. When substituting for E, V is equal to root of 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into V 56 and m 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. We get 4.44 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Momentum P equal to m into V, m 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 and V 4.44 into 10 raised to 6. We get 4.04 into 10 raised to minus 24 kilogram meter per second. Now for the second part of the problem, de Broglie wavelength lambda equal to h by p, where p is momentum. We know that kinetic energy K is equal to half mv square or p square by 2m. From this equation we get p equal to root of 2mk. Substituting for p in equation 1, lambda equal to h by root of 2mk. Now put k equal to E into V. We get lambda equal to h by root of mev. Now substituting for the constants h, m and e, we get lambda equal to 1.227 by root v nanometer. We can use this equation for the second part of the problem. We have V equal to 56 volt. Substituting in equation, lambda equal to 1.227 by root V. Instead of capital V, put 56 volt. Now lambda equal to 1.227 by root 56 nanometer equal to 0.164 nanometer.